O Malley, Dr. Dabu Stevo. Turned up in the mail. Let's get it on. Unboxing. Let's do it. As you can see here, very nice looking box, absolutely amazing. Great logo, great color scheme. It's got the temperatures on the back here. And yeah, a bit of instructions here telling you the modes. Very nice case, pretty destructible, not too bad. And yeah, it's actually got a lock here on the side, it looks like. Anyway, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, I've got to remove the seal of approval first. Here we go. Okay. Pop that off. How do we open this thing? Does this come off? Are you serious? You gotta take this plastic shit off? Oh, there we go. I kind of wanted to leave that on. That looks pretty awesome, but I guess not. There we go. Okay, we get the instructions. The Sugar Sean O Malley instructions, mate. Let's see how we go. Okay. My box is kind of wrecked. I just stabbed it with scissors. But that kind of sucks, but oh, it's whatever. Okay, here we go. Oh man, this is so mad. Holy. That must be your bubbler, carb cap. What's this under here? Charger cable. They give you a stirring tool or something. Loading tool. Overall, that's what the box looks like. I made a mistake because I didn't rip the plastic stuff off at first. And I poked a hole in it, but things happen. It's not a big issue, it's just a box. But yeah, very nice box. Let's have a look at the vape anyway, yeah? Alright, so this is the vape. Looks very nice colour, very small. If you actually compare it to the Candy Pan Aura, it's actually probably smaller. This seems to be smaller than the Puffco Peak, and definitely smaller than the Carter. Let's do a comparison video. I'll chuck this bad boy on, and we'll see how it goes. So how does this go? Oh, it's magnetic. It just slides in. Damn, that's strong. How does this go? Just on here like this. Let's push this in here, do you? Like that. And yeah, that's a device right there. As you can see, it's got the O Malley logo written on it, and that's just your carb cap right there, so you can feather your hits. Push it in, boo, 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 do your hits. It's got a lot of good draw resistance. Doesn't seem like, yeah, it seems to work really well. That's way better than the candy pen. Oh, I haven't used this yet, but this so far is cooler than the candy pen. Alright, let's compare sizes, shall we? So this is the original Dr. Dabber switch. This is the new Boost. As you can see, there's a huge difference. I can understand why people wouldn't want to take this to somebody's house. I can understand why people would want to take this to somebody's house. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Well, yeah, that's my review of the O Malley Dr. Dabber switch. I hope you enjoyed it, and before we go, I'd like to point out that it has USB Thunderbolt, which means it's going to charge exceptionally quick and charge very good. Anyway, yeah, overall, looks like a great vaporizer, but we shall see. Enjoy the video. I'll catch up with you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Subscribe.